I'm Olivia.
And today we are going to have a bit of a race.
Yes.
And we're making a 90-second chocolate hazelnut mug cake. So,
I'm making the vegan version.
And I'm going to do whey.
So mine's going to be better.
Mine's going to be better. I've also got the better cup. So let's do it.
Okay, ready,
Set, go. Okay, I'm going to start by greasing my cup.
I'm going to get all the ingredients just for me.
Rude.
So I'm going to leave these here for me. And I don't know what you're going to use, but
Oh my God.
this is a competition, babe.
I don't want you to see my technique, so can you look away?
Okay,
Thank you.
sure. First, I am buttering my mug to grease it up so it doesn't stick. Excuse you.
We need coconut oil and I need some milk.
So you're doing it in a different process than me. and
Yeah,
it's
don't
stressing
copy
out.
me.
I'm stressed. This is your recipe. I don't know how to do it. Okay, I'm just going to do exactly in the order it says. This is a 1/4 cup of flour.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Wait, you're using self-raising. It doesn't say that.
I just decided last
just
minute to
gonna-
change my flour.
Okay, and you're using a bowl. I'm not. Okay, now I'm
Well-
stressed. So next is the Holy Grail.
Choc hazelnut.
hazelnut vegan protein powder.
So I am actually using a bit of a different technique because I want to put my little hazelnut spread in the middle of my mug. So I'm going to put half of the mix on the bottom, put in my hazelnut spread, and then put more on the top. So that way when you put your spoon in, it's all gooey in the center.
Oh my God. Okay, next I'm adding the baking powder so that it will
You better
rise.
load up on that.
Yeah, no. Okay, far out. This is not off to a good start. And I'll add a bit of
Oh
this
shit, I got
too.
sugar everywhere. Oh, sorry.
Double the
Raising agent.
raising agents.
Yeah.
So that hopefully I can save my mug cake from deflating. Next, I'm adding brown sugar for a bit of sweetness. How much do I need? I don't actually. This is
Yeah, it's very hard.
solid.
So that's what happens when you don't put it in a container when you're done.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
grab some new sugar.
All right, so now I've popped in all of my dry ingredients and now I'm adding in my wet ingredients. I'm gonna add the milk gradually just to make sure that I don't put too much because I don't wanna be too runny. Stop copying me, Liv.
I've just added my sugar now that it's not solid as a rock, and we'll mix that together. Mix all my dry ingredients, and then I'm gonna add my milk gradually, just so that it doesn't get too wet, you know?
All right, mine's nearly ready. How's yours looking?
Not great.
Oh,
I
that's a
don't
bit
know
dry. As you can see, mine's looking nice and glossy. I'm gonna
stressed.
try it. Ooh, that's good.
So 1/2 cup of milk, but I'm going to add it slowly, as per Alyssa's instructions. I'm literally shaking. I'm stressed.
Don't be stressed, you're
I
doing
am
great.
stressed. I feel like I've messed up my cake.
All right, I think this is good. Now we're gonna put ours in the microwave at the same time because as soon as they come out, they do deflate.
Oh.
So you don't really have much time. You gotta take them out
did not
and
know
get
that.
stuck into them straight away because they deflate. So I'm gonna put this in my cup. All right, so I've put a little bit in there, as you can see. I've left some in here. I'm gonna get my hazelnut spread. Got a bit of probably like 1/2 tablespoon, probably a bit much. And I'm just gonna put that, plop that right in here. Plop. Okay, now I'm gonna pour the rest of this in.
I'm gonna steal extra. Try and save it.
You're like, if I just load up my cup with Nutella, no one's gonna know. And I'm gonna win. It's
Is
so
this even
good.
vegan?
I don't know.
It's not vegan.
Oh, let's pretend that's the vegan hazelnut
Yeah,
spread.
this is a vegan.
Yeah, that's a
hazelnut
special
spread.
one, limited edition.
Limited.
All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Come on.
Sort of.
Do you want to see them both? What they look like?
Oh gosh, what is yours? See, look how nice yours look like compared to mine.
No, it's, you know what, different texture is
I'm
good.
going for the rustic look.
Yeah, I love
clearly.
that. All right.
Start. And what is
Did you know wireless earphones emit
Yeah.
the same amount of radio frequency as a microwave, so don't use them.
You've
people.
scared me now.
Yeah,
What do
don't
I use then?
Use
Just a
ones
regular
with the
one?
cord.
You're annoying though.
I
might
know,
just risk it,
I
you know?
I feel like I'm like the old person with the cord, but like, you know, it's good for my head. Oh, quick! This is what we don't show when we film recipes.
And this is why you use vegan protein powder. That was the secret I
Yeah, you know what?
You know what?
I think you're right. I don't know. All right, let's try.
Okay.
Do I have to actually eat this?
I don't think you should. I don't think
Oh, it's cooked though. I mean, where's
Where's your Nutella?
Where's my Nutella?
It probably came
It's
out.
absorbed. All right, let's try.
Might
Nice.
be.
Let me try it.
Switcheroo.
Switcheroo. Mine's very cakey.
It's quite dry, but
Shut
it's not
up,
bad.
yours is
Mine's really
undercooked.
good. What do you mean? It's not undercooked. It's like fudgy.
No, it's undercooked.
No, that's the Nutella. Look, that's cooked.
Oh, you're right. Actually, I just had a big spoon of Nutella. I'm like, why is it so?
Nutella.
That is amazing. We're calling in a judge because
We can't.
we
settle
can't
this.
decide, and I feel like I've
Got
got
chocolate
Nutella
everywhere. All right, this is Chelsea. She is our dessert expert.
Oh, I love
So-
your jumper.
Don't try and smooch her.
You look so good today,
You look
Chels.
amazing, Chelsea. Wow.
Honestly.
You look
Here, you know
glowing.
what? I'm going to spoon it for you because
Oh,
you shouldn't
wow.
have to do that hard work.
Okay.
Here you go. Open your mouth.
You know, it's less dry than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, told ya.
Okay, now try mine. I'll let you feed yourself. Make sure you get lots of
It
Nutella.
is quite, this looks good.
Oh, Chels. Finish
like
what's in
them
your
like
mouth first because
Yeah.
don't get
I
mine
don't want
confused
hers,
with.
Yeah, I don't want hers to contaminate
Yeah.
my dessert.
This stunning cake. Beautiful.
Pretty good.
Yes! Do I win?
But mine's good too, right?
Mine's good too. There's no losers here.
Yeah.
We all win.
But if you're watching at home, make live.
Oh! Okay, Liv definitely won. Well done. Very proud of you.
Thank you. Wait, can you like edit like a crown on my head? Future Reinhardt, edit a crown on my head. And maybe those like thug glasses.
So don't use self-raising flour because that's not going to be good, and use a lot of Nutella.
Yes, lots of Nutella.
And probably the vegan protein.
Give it a go at home. Make sure you tag us, post it on your stories. We want to see how yours turned out as well.
Hopefully not like this. Happy cooking!